friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a midweek haul that's really heavy on Walgreens because there are so many deals there this week. And Family Dollar came through for us with a bunch of cheap stuff. 47 cents. Do I have your attention? Well, I hope I do. And we're going to start this video off with Easter. I know that some of you buy stuff for next year. And so this morning, which is the 9th, Thursday the 9th, Walmart went 75% off. And when it's going to go 90, I have no idea. But right now it's at 75% off if you want to stop by Walmart today for Easter merchandise specifically. I'm not sure where food is because food, when it originally went 50, it was still 25, but 75. Hopefully it's everything across the board. Now my predictions is tomorrow I think both Walgreens and Meijer will go 70. Heck, because this is Easter, it might go right to 80 at Walgreens because they want it gone really quickly. I've seen them do that in years past. But Meijer, the grocery store in the Midwest, it's probably going to go 70. And then another 5 or 6 days, it'll go 90. But reading the signs, and yes, I know how to read a sign. My estimate is that it's going to be tomorrow. Follow my Instagram, same name, Running Kimono, and I'll have all the information for those two stores bright and early tomorrow morning. Easiest way to figure out clearance is to open up the app for either Walgreens or Meijer, type in Easter, and then candy or whatever, and then look at the price. Is it 70? Is it 50? What is it? Easiest way. But my prediction is tomorrow both of those stores will both go, I'm estimating 70. Okay, so we're back at Walgreens, and on Wednesday the 8th, all of these appeared in the app. Top of the digital coupons folder, we have a 7-back on beauty and personal care. That's going to be fantastic. A 7-back when you spend 30 on health and wellness. So both of those fantastic. 10 back when you spend 40 on P&G paper goods. You know that we have a dedicated video just for paper deals on Tuesday. So we're definitely going to put this friend to good use. And then we also got some new only for you coupons, very high value cosmetic ones, skincare ones. And with the booster starting next week, well, I think we're going to be able to put these into play really well. 5 back on Maybelline, a 10 off of 1 for the Olay skincare. So if you typically buy a lot of this stuff, you probably have the same coupons as I. So just it'll say only for you on the top left-hand corner. Just go and load them. So we're going to talk about some of the best deals of the week. The first one is on the Neutrogena makeup wipes. They are $5.99 a pop. When you buy 2, you get back a $7 register reward with a 4 off a 2 coupon. So grabbing 2 of them, $11.98. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back that $7 register reward. It makes it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents per bag of Neutrogena makeup wipes. And that $7 register reward printed for me on Sunday, and then it printed early this week because I did the deal twice. I have 2 store cards. And here it is. It's just a fantastic little one. So I would definitely do this deal. Another deal that's absolutely fantastic if you like the fancier Pantene Gold line, the Rescue Shots, the Miracle line. These products, some of them are $8 each. So grabbing 2 of them is $16. We have a 10 off a 2 digital. You'll pay $6, get back a $2 register reward. It makes it $4 for the 2 or $2 per unit. Remember, class, register reward deals in store only. Curbside, they will not print. Don't forget that. Next 2 deals that we're looking at for Ibotta specifically with Walgreens, you're going to submit them through any grocery store because one of the rebates is specifically there. It's just easier if you're going to do the 2 together. Just submit them both under any grocery store. It takes a couple minutes, but it's really fantastic because there's even more Ibotta rebates. And yes, I've done it through Walgreens and it's worked before. This is the one specifically that's in the any grocery store. It's a $2 rebate on this all. This friend is $4.99. We have a $1 digital. You'll pay $3.99. Get $2 back from Ibotta through the any grocery store through Ibotta, making it $1.99. This detergent is almost like $8 on a non-sales week. If you have very serious skin allergies, this is the gold standard for sensitive skin. So I would definitely stock up if this is your thing. And also this one, The Ibotta rebate can either be found under the Walgreens category or any grocery store. But if you're going to do them together, here's how to do it. $5.49 for this. We have a $3 digital, pay $2.49, $1.25 back from Ibotta, making it $1.24. Limit of one per store card, and both the lavender and then the linen one, fresh linen, is both attaching. So I did check those two. So definitely stock up on that. And that's 2 little Ibotta rebates if you're trying to do like a weekend warrior or something like that. Now, curbside, if you want to toss one of these into an order, it's $7.49, so it's 50% off on this 42-pack of Persil. My store didn't have it. There is no coupon, but Ibotta has a $3 rebate, so it drops this friend down to $4.49. And when you go pick up your order through the curbside, you will have to ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you get a physical receipt for Ibotta. Picking one of these up for $7.49, you're going to be about $3 short from achieving your basket, so definitely maybe throw in some toilet paper or something else. Photograph your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back. The final price point here is $4.49 for a product that's just under $15. It's a lot of pods in that container. Now, you guys hear me talk about Ibotta a lot, and I did a lot of deals this week, specifically at the store with Ibotta. It's a tremendous savings app. You save these dollars either for a PayPal drop or you can get gift cards. I prefer gift cards, especially if you have a Bath & Body Works addiction, or if you like to shop at Meijer. My referral code is right there for all the new shoppers. If you use that referral code and when you sign up, submit your first qualifying receipt. You have to do a deal. Maybe that Airwick deal is the easiest one. And you will be given an extra $5 bonus on top of your rebate. And it's a really easy app to use. I've been using them for more than 10 years. So sign up today. Link in the notes. Okay, the last store that we have is Family Dollar, and I have a full video yesterday of more clearance finds that I found with digital coupons, but there are a couple that I think are really fantastic, including the Palmolive and the Clorox spray, especially the Clorox spray, because we don't get deals on that every other week, very rarely. And that Palmolive is like a 32 ouncer, so if you're an old school couponer, you know those large bottles. I'm still working on a couple from last year that I got because I used that green Palmolive in my house. So one of these is $1.97. We have $1.50 digital, making that 47 cents. And the limit is 1 coupon per card. I used more than 1 store card at the store. Asked the manager if that was okay as well. I just don't do whatever the heck I want. But it was a quiet little store, and she's like, yeah, sure, I don't care. Very nice lady. So I did the deal twice, and the store had so many of those Palmolives, I even shared the deal with her, and she's like, I'm going to do it too. So everybody was excited. Another deal that's fantastic. These are found in the clearance section for $1.97. The Clorox Scentiva. After that dollar digital, it's 97 cents. So go and make this one happen too if you can track it down in your store. And there's a lot of paper at 50% off as well at the Family Dollar. I passed on it because we get better paper deals at Walgreens, in my humble opinion. So I will link the video here at the end if you want to check it out. And that's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.